Alright, in this video we're going to continue talking about triangle inequalities. So after the last video, you saw in the demonstration that in order for three sides to form a triangle, we have to add up the two smaller sides and make sure that it's longer than the third side. Otherwise those two short sides won't meet somewhere to make a triangle. So that leads us to our triangle inequality theorem or conjecture, which says the sum of the lengths of any two sides, so sum we're adding, okay, of any two sides of a triangle is longer than the length of the third side. So really all we need to do is take the smaller two sides. So let's make a little note here. Note, although this must be true for any two sides, we only have to compare the sum of the two smallest sides. Alright, so when we go through these examples here, really we're just going to be looking at the smaller two sides. When you're doing these problems, it's important that you're showing your work and you know how to justify. So for example A here, I'm going to highlight the two smaller sides. So I've got 9 and 17, and the two smaller sides happen to be the two first ones, but they won't necessarily, so you need to make sure you're looking at that. So here's how we show our work. We're going to look at the sum of the smaller two sides. So I've got 9 plus 17, which is 26. And then my longer side is 28. So the sum of these two sides is not greater than 28. Not greater than 28. Alright, there we go. Okay, so 9 plus 17 is less than 28. So is this a triangle? Yes or no? No. Sum of smaller sides not greater than third side. Alright, let's do one more example. Again, I'm going to highlight the two smaller sides. I've got 16 and 30. Again, they happen to be in order, but they won't necessarily always be. So I've got 16 plus 30, which is 46, which is greater than 45. So the sum of the two smaller sides is greater than the third side. So this will be a triangle. Justification, sum of smaller sides is greater than third side. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have other questions, make sure you ask, and then go ahead and finish parts C and D on your own, and you can check those in class, and we'll see you in the next video.